What up, dog?
Yeah, Poop, it's me, Shelton Tyrone Davies, better known as Mr. STD, and me and Crack Baby, well, tell him Crack.
Shelton, fam, we decided we was gonna clean Granny Billy Tyrone Davies' car out here. And Shelton cussed me all to hell because I got started before. Tell him, Shelton.
Well, I got mad at that bitch Crack, 'cause he got started on Crack Baby did. We got a little job here to do, and he already got started. Well, I started streaming in it, filming it there, and I wanted to do a before and a after video. Well, I had Dirk Davis, his old lady April. I had her down here. Well, she commenced a extension cord, but she sucked a lot of stuff up with her mouth for us. I had to kick her in the face and run her off like a stray dog.
Shelton's lineman today, guys, so before we get completely moved in at the new crib, we're just being nice and helping my granny, because God knows she's helped me my whole life. It's the 4th of July coming up, so we're gonna clean her car. Stay tuned to Adventures with Shelton and Crack cleaning Granny's cars. Almost 30 minutes later, well, Shelton sucked everything up after April left. Now we're gonna take Windex and newspapers, and we're gonna clean this bitch. Everything on the inside. I did the best I could, and Shelton did too with the vacuum cleaner, didn't you, Shelton?
Yeah, I guess I worked pretty goddamn hard. I didn't do nothing but let women do it for me, but yeah, I worked hard. Stay tuned, bitches. I don't know if this is just an Appalachian trick or what, but us Appalachian folks, well, we clean windows with newspapers and the inside of cars. We detail them there. We use old motherfucking newspaper, man.
For once, me and the Shelton's gonna agree and not cuss at each other. A newspaper's the best motherfucking thing to use to detail the inside of a car. So, stay tuned, let's see what it looks like. Meth City behind me. Well, forever, ever, as Dolph would say, ever. I detailed it with Shelton, very good.
Bradley can't stay off that phone to do a goddamn thing. Well, me and Bradley, we done a very good job in here detailing. We got one more little swoop with a vacuum cleaner. Then we're gonna wash this outside and make it pretty. Oh, Shelton can detail the car there. Some things just won't come up, though. Well, Shelton did a very good job back here while Bradley didn't do nothing but play on his phone. Too much dead dude.
Well, me and Shelton ate edibles, and we forgot to show you the rest of the car, but Shelton Tyrone Davies and Crack 40 TV car detailing, if you will. Pull up and you get your car cleaned real good. I'm trying to make an honest dollar, and I can clean a motherfucking car. You heard me? So can Shelton. So sub up or oil up. Pull up and oil up. It's Crack 40 TV. Go watch me on YouTube live right now. Well, if you watch Crack 40 TV on YouTube, you know I had an adventurous night at the hospital with my fucking father. Anyway, me and Shelton did a good job on the car. You can't tell from here. Something's already, I don't know, there's something down there. Anyway, no bird shit on it already or streaks or what.